Hello everybody. Ano po ba daw ang duties and responsibilities ng isang accredited pollution control officer? Ang sagot dyan, doon po nakasulat yan sa Section 10 ng DAO 2014-02 or the Revised Guidelines for Pollution Control Officer Accreditation. Maraming duties po ang PCO. So halina tingnan natin ano yung duty, especially yung pinakaunang-unang duty ng isang PCO. Sabi po sa Section 10, Item number 1 ng DAO 2014-02, ito po ang duty and responsibility ng isang accredited pollution control officer. I read and I quote, together with the managing head, ensure compliance with the requirements of PD 1586, RA 6969, RA 8749, RA 9003, and RA 9275, their respective implementing rules and regulations, and other pertinent rules and regulations. So dito po na sasambit yung pong national environmental laws, gaya po ng Presidential Decree 1586 na nagre-require po ito sa mga proponent ng mga project na mag-secure ng environmental compliance certificate before project implementation. At nakasulat po yan doon sa Section 4 ng PD 1586, especially for critical projects. Yun naman pong Section 5 ng PD 1586, all other projects that are not critical, which are not required to conduct impact assessment, ay hindi kailangan mag-secure ng environmental compliance certificate. At dito, pwede tayong kumuha ng equivalent certification called Certificate of Non-Coverage. So sa isa sa duty and responsibility ng isang accredited PCO is to ensure compliance with PD 1586, particularly the acquisition of environmental compliance certificate or certificate of non-coverage before project implementation. Ganon din, isa sa kailangang siguruhin ng isang PCO ay ang pagkakaroon ng compliance sa RA 8749 or Clean Air Act. At dyan naman po nakapaloob ang pag-acquire ng permit to operate para sa mga air pollution source installation or APSI, gaya ng generator set, boiler, fuel storage tank, etc. Lahat po ng equipment or installation na mayroong emissions of regulated air pollutants according to DAO 2000-81. Ganun din po, sinisiguro dapat ng isang PCO ang compliance sa mga requirements ng RA 275, at dyan po nakasulat sa Section 14 ang discharge permitting requirement. So ang isang PCO kailangan siguruhin na mayroong valid wastewater discharge permit ang isang establishment, ang pasilidad, para po masiguro nga ang compliance sa RA 9275 sa pamamagitan ng pag-acquire ng discharge permit. Sa RA 6969, the compliance to the hazardous waste management system na nagre-require ng registration as waste generator. Kung meron mang mga actual and potential waste generation, especially waste that requires special handling, kailangan mag-register as waste generator. At that is in compliance with the requirements of RA 6969. Siyempre kasama ang permit to transport and agreement with transporter and treater. And that is to secure permit to transport for every disposal activity. And then RA 9003 the provisions of material recovery facility sa mga pribadong establishmento o sa barangay. At sa LGU, ang provision ng implementation ng 10-year solid waste management plan at sa pag-ooperate ng isang sanitary landfill. Instead of a open dump site or controlled dump site, dapat sanitary landfill. So those are the requirements, compliance requirements under the national environmental laws, and it's the duty and responsibility of an accredited PCO to ensure compliance with all the requirements. Pero meron pong nasambit dyan together with the managing head. So kailangan both the PCO and the managing head have shared responsibilities. Lalong-lalo ang PCO dapat mag-build ng good relationship sa managing head para sa mutual understanding. Ipapaalam ng PCO na kailangan niyang gampanan ang kanyang duty and responsibility sa pagsisiguro ng compliance ng kanyang establishment sa mga requirements ng national environmental laws. Among many, PD 1586, RA 8749, RA 9275, RA 6969, and RA 9003. So yun lamang po. Yan po ang pinakaunang duties and responsibilities of accredited PCO per Section 10 of DAO 2014-02. At kung gusto niyo pa pong malaman ano naman yung pangalawa at patuloy ng mga duties and responsibilities, please subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. Maraming salamat po. At mabuhay ang mga pollution control officer.